What's up guys? Good afternoon, and today we are in a mission. I'm subscribed in the email subscription of National Geographic. They have like a weekly photography mission, or monthly I think. But today's assignment is landmark moments. To celebrate 100 year of the US National Park Service, Your Shot is launched multiple assignment about parks. For the first assignment, we're focusing on image of landmarks and iconic features that represent national parks around the world. So today, I have two parks here that I'm aiming for, the Davie Park, and the other one is the Aqua Park, which is we frequently go. So it's already February 26, and the end date of the submission for this assignment is February 29. So yeah, let's go.
Tapos na?
Hindi pa. By the way guys,
Mga naiwan niya. Ayun ka ako sa gilid.
Oo, kunin mo. Actually, kanina pa dapat kami nasa Davie. Kaso nga lang, umikot-ikot pa kami dahil dito sa fan run na to. Nakasalubong namin sila. So, uy, may fan run. Wow, no, nagtatagalog ako. No, because
Wow.
no. We're already at Davie Park, but we turn around because of this fun run that we saw. And it's a fail, man. Are you?
We're trying to catch them, but we failed.
You are
Yeah,
filming it
I'm
right
filming it
now?
already.
Yeah. Then now we're just going turn around again, going to Davie Park. But we saw the Davie Park full of Saudi people, so I don't know if we can film there, or yeah, let's see.
Are we required to speak in English?
Yes, actually this is a challenge.
Why?
Yeah, this is a challenge to speak in English on the whole vlog. So
I
good
better
luck
get
to
it.
us. So we are right inside the Davie Park, and there's nothing special here. I'm expecting so much more in here, but
It's just a plain lawn park
yeah.
wherein you can play.
So maybe we will go now to DQ and eat some ice cream, then straight to Aqua Park. So yeah guys, since the skate park is near here, maybe 15 minutes drive, we decided to go there first before we go to DQ and get some ice cream. So let's go. So what's up guys, we're here now at the skate park, and there's some people using it for biking. Boom. Yan ang gusto ko, BMX Brad. Oo nga eh. They're using it for BMX. Cool. So this is not a skate park, this is a bike park. Bike park. As you can see, the last time you see us here is that it's super cold. But
we're
now
not able to
we're not-
take a good photo.
yeah, or
video
roam around. But
outside.
now you see, this is the other part of the skate park, or bike park as you can see. And this is the hotel like buildings or accommodations. And I don't know what kind of amusement is this one. Maybe this is for children or something. Yeah, this is a great park. classy one, simple, small, but unique because of the bike park that they have. Yeah, let's go now to Dairy Queen and eat some ice cream again and again. But I think
Yim Street.
wow, no, it's just street.
Yeah, it
Because
is.
that's why he is here, because
Yeah, that's why I'm here, because he
he-
told me that he's
no,
going to treat me
he
for
told
an
me
ice cream.
that he wants to go with me because he wants to go to Dairy Queen.
Yeah, but I didn't say that am I
but
going to...
did I say that I will treat
Yes.
you? No.
Yes, you are. I'll review
Why
our
you're
message.
always lying?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
You know that song? Huh? You know that song?
Kinda familiar.
Yeah. It's like
But
on
not
the
totally.
Facebook when famous people tell something that's not believable and they will insert that video. Why you're
I'm
always
sorry, I'm not
lying?
famous.
I'm so
And I'm not lying.
No, you're lying. I'll put that video.
No.
So before we go to Dairy Queen, Jeff
We're
has
just going to have a short
brilliant
stop up.
yeah, he has some brilliant idea once again to go to some kind of breakwater. So we will see what's in there. He don't know if we can walk
Enter.
or enter on that place, but yeah, let's see.
I just saw it before, but I'm not sure if we are allowed to go beyond the breakwater or something.
So let's go, guys. 30 miles per hour. Oh, there's another road here. Look.
Ano na siya? Island na nga siya. Hindi siya
You
police.
want to go more?
Hindi siya police.
Let's go more. Let's explore this.
May office kasi yan dyan.
So, are we going to go more or we'll go to U-turn?
Road close ahead. We used to go before.
Where?
This one. Yeah.
What's in there?
It's an office. This is the breakwater that I'm telling you about. See? The end of this is just near already to Abu Ali Island.
So yeah, let's go back. Let's go to DQ. It's a very risky and unknown thing to do. So some side trip once again. There's another boat dock. This is where they put all their yacht and yacht. Let's go inside.
See?
Oh, before here is we can go fishing here, but now I think it's already closed. Yeah, it's already closed. There's already a gate. It's been a while, man.
No. I think that is the place where we...
No, this is it, man. Yeah, but this is the. Let's see. See, it's already closed already. It's already closed already. Cool. So look at this place, man. I'll take you at 360 degrees. Wow, nag-walk up. So yeah, guys. Naka-zoom in yung mukha ko. Let's go. So after a lot of U-turns and side turns, stopovers, we are now here at Dairy Queen to order just an ice cream treated by Jeff.
Oh, hindi ah.
What?
Hindi,
You told me treated by you.
I am not. Brownie temptation nila. Yung medium. Teka lang. Tsaka isa. Brownie temptation na medium.
Medium brownie.
Ano sabi mo, Mark? So what's up guys, we're now here at the Aqua Park and this is the first time of Mr. Jeff here. Jeff,
Yes,
how's
what is
your first impression of the Aqua Park?
It's much better than the first park that we have been to.
Yeah, but our goal now is to take some photos, but there's so many
Actually, our goal is to take a photo of the sunset.
sunset, the
unfortunately,
park.
It's failed
Unfortunately,
again.
the sun is I don't know where, but the clouds is so amazing right
Covered by
now.
the clouds already.
And let's go to the lake. So yes, it's a fail, man. Taking some sunset photos fail, but I'll try to take some park photos. Let's go. This one is cool. This is our first time seeing this one, but there's nothing inside. It's like just a design,
It's just a tower.
just a
A
tower.
useless tower.
A useless tower. So yeah, it's getting dark and I still don't have some good shots or great shots of a park, but it's okay.
Oh, see, you
I'll-
told me it's only 4. Now there's another one.
So
Your count is not correct.
let's say it's 5, man. No problem. So there's a 5 of that.
There's the 5 of
That one.
not
5.
the 5th.
No, the fifth old house. My analogy is it's original old house, but they just transferred it here because it looks old and the stones are really look old. So
Can you please take
I'm
me a
thinking-
photo of this?
I'm thinking it's a original one, but just transferred here. So we have some background music
This is
while we're
our
walking.
theme song for tonight. I'm walking over.
Walking away from the troubles in my life, I'm walking away.
Oh, to find a better day, I'm walking away. From the troubles in my life, I'm walking away. Oh, to find a better day.
So guys, that ends our park hopping,
Yeah.
and we're now going to Charm's place for a dinner. I'm still thinking what will we bring. I think Krispy Kreme. Oh,
And where are we going to buy Krispy Kreme? I mean donuts.
Here?
We're going to go back.
Yeah. It's just near.
Okay.
So let's go. Or maybe let's think of another food.
There's nothing we can go from here. What else? Yeah, I think donut is fine.
I'm so